Hi there, today we will learn how to install Ollama in your Windows machine. First, open any browser of your choice. Search download Ollama. Then we have the distribution for Linux. We have the distribution for Windows. I will go to the official website. Here you will see the download icon. Click on that. Now here we have multiple distribution, one for macOS, Linux and Windows. We will click the Windows, download, save it. Once it is downloaded, we will open it. Double click on the install button, and there you go. It started the installation. Alright, once it is installed, you can see on the bottom right corner, Ollama is running. Click that. We are not going to do anything on this. We will cancel it. Let's see if Ollama server is running. Yes, it is running. You can see the icon here. You can either click on that and quit Ollama, or you can even view the logs. Yeah. Now let's open command prompt cmd, enter. Let's see how many models we have in our local machine. We will say Ollama list. At present, we don't have anything. Now let's visit Ollama website and get one of the open source model. I will download Llama 3.2 3 billion parameter models. What I will do is I will copy this command, which will pull the model from the registry and bring it in our local machine. It started pulling the model from the registry in our local system. And there you go. You have Llama 3.2 running in your local machine. Let me ask, tell me a dog joke. And there you go. If you want to exit, you can say /pi or /exit and you are done. Enjoyed the tutorial? Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI coding hacks, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.